putting in procedures or putting in things that would allow them amount some votes onto the base they have already. But NDC is not doing that. That is why I said Mahama is not a smart politician and he's not an experienced politician. He is doing the same thing he did and lost 2016, doing the same thing he did and lost 2020. And 2024, he's going to lose because he has not learned. He's still using the same, let's energize our base. Yanko kandi ebema yanko for the DHino, ebe ye bibi, ebe DH say tooth for tooth, no boot for boot, next those in some hunu ya na omoke kano. That is all he's gelling to. And if you're a political party who only thinks, say, your mandate is to just garnish your base here, you are in for a big surprise. And 2024, Mahama and their NDC is going to have the biggest surprise of their life. If we don't take care, some of them will die as a result of the election result that will come up 2024.
Okujeto abrakwa. Okujeto abrakwa. Okujeto abrakwa. The people of Norton, let me start from you. Is that what you voted for Okujeto to come and do? You see, Adebakwe said he does not represent himself at the parliament. He represents the constituents of Norton. You are making us believe, say, so therefore, we are okay with it. And the Norton for more by some say somebody and throw nabraba some as someone any who mutimi travel to one amount, sana mutie hence okuja to abrakwa na ye better in it into move to man. Is that what you want to tell us? Then somebody from Norton should come and tell us, say, this is not what we send the guy there to do. Oh, okuja to abrakwa. Ghana unya dumada. We see such bad people no there. We can tell them our mind. Okuja to abrakwa unya ba ye nim no ne pam wa munkra na wote say ye pam school fees. Obeye me ayi pe minister deputy minister pe and unya ba na to America. Musumo si mo ara mo kasa give musika nim. And no okuja to abrakwa mo miam bisa sa guy ni say e dan na wasisi won no ton any cars na o oni no. Do they match the income? What me tam 200 million sekwesiada me nam yo kuje to abrakwa deputy minister me di kodidi 200 million say this na da kan mu say udi kwa kodidi u kodidi ya mutuo special udi kwa kodi o mutuo special no ayo hu say true asem ni ho and I've done my investigation. Me say Reverend Boatin say Reverend ye ka kire sa krife nyame som no fa hu nkwaji mu bi. Truth be told, Ghana for astofo no mo amoka hu bi e na no ma papa Ghana for dodo na edi se hu o Ghana. Reverend Boatin me ka kire o pay say sa asem we wan fa nko court na wu jane sa de a okuja to kura ba out be ka say no obo ayanyini. I'm telling you, so we say asem okuja to ka no obo enye no kura fa ne court. Only court and betimi edi wa asmama sa krifenya mesom no Bible ba bia nu e kire se wo de wo te ho na unu abebo wasum no wo hwe wasum and you try to so a yedin ba bia nkire sa enu nti na sabi wa ma yenso adwen ni nyansa a ye bie court no se asema ye kan beti ho osofo te ho sa asem we Mrs. One fan kokota me am campaign se sa na wote nti asam no fakọ na waya che won say ne sami da vi wa came down wa ba fom napo ha na ni kire ne kakra bi say sami da vi has come down wo kasa wo dwe hu mienu because ye frɛ wa himfie na wo ye bema mpanfo si bisa wa no ne bisa wo bema wa no ka asam bone na wo bema nko wura tokuro bone bia mu ye kɔbɔ wa ba so. And the Norton, is that what you voted for? That will be mrambe tu chantron yen ngwasi emramo. Masa 2024 Norton people, constituent of Norton, mo to abana, munhwe mutin. Na monso munwine echiri ma ho. Na pacho wasam no yenti ase. Omo mpanyida da look, mpanyifo se aboa wura maboa, wa hunu ho so hwe. na obefie pie wia ema eyi omumbom ntoma ebo omumu e di jam enti ko twa mansa kora wa hu so hwe no antena wurom amfa hu hu odasani wurom na obefie a ema yi omuntoma di jam enti omampanyi dada John Dramani Mahama we expect say as wabeye national asset no and can speech no ebeye national development enkoye for NDC yifo a omo de esebi omo pe akaka bensa matie no omo ho kwa na oye den obedwen nanka wo ka asem we no what we expected to hear from you some medical catch us say that man who speaks to you and advises you former president John Dramani Mahama eboto of ukona sa papa na da bia no okita flask enum ensu okroje bia yenimu nsusu ban no eboto of ukona by that time don't listen to that man. Sa flask na ekita papa bi na eboto of ukwa na obetufu no eboto of ukwa ubenya don't listen to that man because by then na sa flask no the wom na it is believed to be adefufuro bi a yenimu no na abane so nti ama wo kasa na ne kasa no ensisi so enti me de obenya nka twemu fi sa papa no ho so that wo be kasa no be on point na fi yahu de opeso kire now say NDC for my PM say 2024 election is going to be about future tense. You are deceiving yourselves. The 2024 election is going to be based on past achievement. You be based on past achievement. And your past tense in the economy, and your future tense, and then your present. With the present tense, but my father say 80%, believe you me, is going to be past tense. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I intend to do this. And yet I will do this because in Penifo say, Sebi, a janine to us when they come a hansana. I'm for the children to us. And the time man can Ubeka Sassy win, former president. Nanka Esa career, not their source of say. During NDC's time, from 2008 to 2016, we built 120 hospitals. 8 years. And the Yama MPPs who 8 years. No more fancy 120 hospitals, no more intimia. Then you got the moral right. You got the infantry to come and criticize. Say 111 ye. In any case, yes, a PO manifesto, the Nanado MPP, omo promise. But say, me catch you say, I come in fear 9 dimenim. Answer fear 9 no be kwa wie no. Me sure bo say, tio. Me sure bo say, me si dan e de amaw. Dan no ma sha esi wani twia. Da me share dan no me sha ase me si no ene ye kan say wo sha ase dan no kro wo sha ase mfi me nsani wo nwie. Enye da me share wo bo no. Because you and I know why a president is that. That is why you know Kasa from this angle say. Bosha amanyofo she nyina no mudiso. In fact, the flashy ones, you know, about 70 to 80% omuntimi ni so. They just say that to convince people to gather votes. Entina fifi kwete. Ebeka kire ye 2000 say 2008 say omampanyi kufo amampanyi that John Ajekum kufo His Excellency ewia Ghana gold reserve nyina wafa enso wonu kwatena ase ka say waka asem we nyina so ni say was a political talk. This is what the NDC believes in. And in fact, the former president Emayeti as said, he was short memory and he still thinks say Ghanaians still have short memory, but Nana Akufo-Addo adodankwa ado show boy at Roma, and then what be kwana to us obi anko school. Now they who are short memory go and prolong it. And for your information.